Telling the time in Samoan. Afa, half. Fia, how much. I, 2. Itula, hour. Kawata, quarter. Minute, minute. Sekone, second. Ka, strike. Taimi, time. Te'a, past. Toe, soon. Ua, present tense marker. Vai olewati, hands of the clock. Learn and practice the vocabulary words and apply them to your Samoan conversations. So here's some terms and phrases you'll hear in conversation when people are talking about time. Ukalefia. Ua is the tense marker that indicates something just happened. Ka means to strike. Le is the, and fia is like how many. The term altogether means what time is it. A lot of times you'll just hear kalefia because the tense is understood, so there's no need to say ua kalefia. Another way to ask the time is oa le kemi. Oa is what, le is the, and kemi is time. Kemi means time. Can you guess this one? Ua ka levalu. 8 o'clock. Ua ka levalu. Ua ka lefitu. 7 o'clock. Ua ka lefitu. Ua toe sefulu iwa minute I le kasi. 19 minutes before 1. You can also say ua fa sefulu kasi minute ua te ai le sefulu lua. 41 minutes past 12. Ua toe sefulu minute I le ono. Ua toe sefulu minute I le ono. 10 minutes to 6. Ua lima sefulu minute e te ai le lima. 5:50. 50 minutes after 5. Ua toe lua sefulu lua minute I le sefulu lua. It's 22 minutes to 12. Ua kolo sefulu valu minute e te ai le sefulu kasi. It's 38 minutes after 11. Ua koata e te ai le lima. It's a quarter past 5. 5:15. E mawhai ona e whai aku foi. Ua sefulu lima minute e te ai le lima. It's 15 minutes past 5. So here's the sentence structure for time. When you're talking about minutes before the hour, you'll use tense marker ua, then toe, like soon or before, then the number of minutes, then ile, the next hour. For example, 1:55. Ua toe lima minute ile lua, or 5 minutes before 2. To express times in terms of number of minutes after the hour, you'll use ua plus the number of minutes, then e te ai, then ile, the current hour. In this case, it would be ua lima sefulu lima minute e te ai ile kasi. 1:55.